Most men believe when she leaves, it's because she found someone better, someone taller, richer, more attractive, more dominant, more alpha. They picture her upgrading, trading in the old for something shinier, newer, more impressive. But the truth, that's almost never why she walks away. She didn't leave for a better man. She left for a better feeling. Because that's what women attach to. Not your bank account, not your car, not how well you perform in the gym. She attaches to how she feels around you. And when that feeling fades, when that emotional connection begins to die, it doesn't matter how good you look or how much you provide. She's already halfway out the door. Here's what you need to understand. Women are emotional beings. They feel first, then decide. They don't make decisions based on logic the way most men do. They remember emotions like they happened yesterday. She remembers the tone you used when you brushed her off, the nights you were present in body but absent in spirit, the way you made her feel small in moments where she just wanted to be heard. And when those moments stack up, when she no longer feels desired, no longer feels seen or appreciated, that's when she begins to let go. Not because she found someone better, but because she stopped feeling alive in the relationship. And here's the part most men never realize. Sometimes, the man she ends up with after you, he isn't richer, he isn't taller, he isn't more high value in the ways you define it, but he made her feel more. He saw her, he listened, he created space for her to be her full self, without judgment, without pressure. And that feeling, it was enough to make her stay. So while you're busy comparing yourself to the next guy, wondering what he has that you don't, you might be missing the real question. How did she feel around you? Did she feel emotionally safe? Did she feel like you got her, even when you didn't agree? Did she feel like her heart mattered or just her body? Because if she ever started feeling more alone with you than without you, you already lost her. So what's the fix? It's not chasing perfection. It's not becoming some idealized alpha version of yourself. It's not about flexing harder, earning more, or dominating every room you walk into. It's about becoming present, being emotionally intelligent, tuned in, aware, balanced in your masculine but connected to her emotions. It's about understanding the little things, how she lights up when you're fully there with her, how she softens when she feels emotionally safe, how she blooms when she feels supported, not controlled. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be real. You need to be the man who makes her feel heard without her begging to be understood. The man who doesn't just protect her physically, but emotionally. The one who isn't afraid of her emotions, but leans in when she opens up. The one who shows her, through your actions, that she never has to fight for your attention or affection, because that's the man she stays with. So no, she didn't leave for a better man. She left when the laughter faded, when the warmth turned cold, when she had to explain her worth over and over and still wasn't seen. She left when it stopped feeling right. Because in the end, women don't leave for a better man. They leave for a better feeling. And if you can give her that, you won't need to convince her to stay. She'll choose you every time.